Hi guys! So today I got a couple of fails and Alex wants me to be a bit fired up, so he wants me to go like a gorilla. Don't know if it's gonna work, but I think I'm just gonna do a Dutch pour. I have a new color and it's olive green from Vallejo, so I'm eager to use this one, and I already made a layer of white, so we're just gonna start. I'm gonna use like green, bluish colors, and I'm so fan of copper lately, so I'm gonna use that as well. First phthalo blue. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use now the olive green, not so much because I think it will take over. Turquoise, Winsor blue, dark brown in here. Must be sort of nature painting this. And then the copper. Alright, not so much, just a little bit. Want to make a very clean painting. The white goes around it. Oh, that's not really around it, but there's white. I'm gonna put here a little bit of white as well. I want this to be white. There are a lot of bubbles popping up, but not much cells. Okay, so the composition is not what I really like. I don't think today is a good day, but you have these days. Okay guys, this is just a simple painting with the Dutch pour. Alex is loving it. I'm a bit doubtful with the olive green and the copper and also the composition, but sometimes paintings are growing on me. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Till the next video.